Your Mustang has a unique instrument cluster that not only looks great, but offers a highly configurable layout with multiple styles of displays. The stylish 12-inch LCD digital display provides a vivid state-of-the-art look and driving experience. Let me tell you about it. The cluster view can be altered based on driving mode. Depending on which drive mode you select, the appearance of the cluster will change. To do so, press the pony button on the steering wheel. Then, using the up and down arrows, scroll to Cluster Appearance and hit OK. From here, choose either Change with Drive Mode, which automatically changes the display view based on drive mode, or choose Normal, Sport, or Track. Likewise, you can color customize the instrument cluster using a feature called MyColor. Again, from the Pony menu, scroll to MyColor, then choose Primary Color, which produces a color trail of your choice as the speedometer and tach needles sweep across the dial, as well as the fuel gauge. Next, choose your preferred color. To change the color of the speedo and RPM rings, select Secondary Color, choose a color, and hit the OK button. For a more unique look, you can also opt to create your own color by going to MyColor, then scrolling to Create MyColor. From here, you can customize up to 3 unique colors, which can be used for primary, secondary, or interior ambient color lighting. Hitting the OK button toggles between each color wheel and automatically saves the last selection. And when you're ready for a change, just scroll to MyColor, Primary Color, and MyColor 1, 2, or 3. For even more options, there's also an ambient lighting and ambient brightness feature. Just follow the same steps, and when you get to the MyColor screen, scroll to Ambient Light and hit OK to turn on. Then scroll to Ambient Dim and choose either High or Low, and hit OK. Now, whenever you start your vehicle, it will automatically default to that setting. You can change MyColor at any time by following the same steps. You also have the option to view key information in the cluster at any time. Just hit the Settings button, Trip Fuel Info, then use the up and down arrows to scroll through each option, such as tire pressure and the Trip 1 or Trip 2 screens, where you can see miles per gallon, miles traveled, and travel time, as well as fuel economy. Pressing and holding the OK button resets the screen. One more thing, to choose which gauges appear in the instrument cluster no matter which mode you're in, press the Pony button on the steering wheel. Under the Gauges menu, scroll to Configure My Gauges and hit OK. From here, you can select between air-fuel ratio, cylinder head temperature, engine oil pressure, and more. To choose viewable gauges, use the OK button to select which ones you want to see. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.